In this video, I am very excited to discuss with you AI inside Microsoft Outlook and how AI can change the way you work inside Outlook. Hey there everyone, my name is Preetham and you're watching Technoholic, where our mission is to elevate your experience in productivity related softwares. So do subscribe to Technoholic such that you do not miss any such video from our side. Okay, so let's jump back to the topic that today we wanted to discuss, which is the AI in new Microsoft Outlook. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Okay, so now here you can see my computer screen, and let me quickly go here in menu button and I'm going to type Outlook. Once you open it, here on the top right corner, you can see there is dedicated Copilot button. And in this video, we're going to extensively talk about this button only, because this button have got all the magic that is required. They're going to help you in order to improve your productivity. So for example, I got this message from Microsoft developer and I would like to create a reply of it. So if you go here, you can see I can simply draft message about it. So maybe I would like to create a short and friendly message, and then here you can talk about what this message will be all about, and then you can hit here on generate. Now here you will see the whole mail that I would like to write or I would like to respond is being written by AI. And I would say this is very capable, because here you can see the Microsoft is congratulating me to have this trial developer subscription. And then here you can see, I think this makes really a sense where I am responding to the Microsoft that, thanks for the update and renewing my Microsoft 365 trial developer subscription, which I guess makes sense. But if in case you do not think that this particular message make more sense, so you can say that I am not happy that you have rejected for my brother. For example, I am just testing it. So do not think that way. Now let me hit generate, and I hope that now it will say something else. And here we go. Now it says, I appreciate the renewal of Microsoft 365 trial subscription, and I am eager to continuously utilizing the tool provided by Microsoft 365 developer program. However, I must express my disappointment regarding the rejection of my brother application. So this is really what I wanted, and then the kind of approach that the ChatGPT is using is also pretty professional. So I really like the way, you can create the whole email. You just need to let Outlook Copilot know your intention and it will do the remaining task for you. So this, I would say, is really a very cool feature it have. And then this feature is not only limited to writing or responding, but you can also summarize any email. So for example, this particular one is related to developer program. And now here we can see, in order to understand it in a better way, we have created summary of it. And then here we can see what this summary says. So in this way, guys, with the power of AI and Copilot inside Microsoft Outlook, you can save time by letting AI write for you. Only the thing that you need to let AI know is the intention. Once the intention is clear to AI, it is very proficient and very professional in writing the email. And that's also wrap up this video on how we can utilize the power of AI inside Outlook. I hope guys you find this video helpful, informational. If so, then please make sure you like and subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content, and I will see you around with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.